Hey everybody, Jackrabbit here. Today we got another challenge lock for you. This one is called Live Laugh Lockpick. This is made by Dangerous VP. You can see DVP number one. This is first challenge lock as I understand it. A little nod to LPU on the back, and this is made out of a Sparrows practice lock. Looks like it's number 3. So let's get this mounted up and let's try to get it picked for you. Let me just make sure the camera stays focused on the lock. All right. Let's see what we got here. All right, nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. All right, we'll click out of 4. The core moved a little bit. All right, now we're in a deep fall set. I think I just nicked 1 there. I got it to fall back. All right, let's see where we can find the counter rotation. All right, nothing on 1. Nothing there. All right, let's keep going back. We'll click out of 4. And we got really nothing in the back of the lock, so let's try back up here again. All right, 1 feels pretty set. 2 feels like it's binding a little bit. All right, I actually think I clicked it into place and the core moved even farther. Got a little counter rotation here on 3. Okay, now we're really in a deep fall set. I think I just need to nudge something. There we go. Should pin 1, so we are open. All right, let's see what's inside this sucker. All right. Nice thing about it being a Sparrows practice lock is I have the Sparrows gutting kit, which works perfectly well. I'm going to lock this up because we do have a key. But the Sparrows gutting kit works really well on these back plates. Let me bust out the key quick so you guys can see it. Let's see, this does not want to come out of this baggie. Okay, so here is the key. Get some nice bitting there. Let's make sure it works. Yep, we are smooth as can be. So, all right. So the beauty of the, if you haven't seen the Sparrows practice locks, you can buy this gutting kit, which comes with a follower that's perfectly designed to push this little notch in. So normally these notches, I absolutely loathe them, but with this one, you can push it in and turn until the back plate comes off. So it's the one and only time I am okay with this type of back plate. All right, so let's take the key, turn it a little bit here, and let me get a shim. Normally you don't really need that for the Sparrows sets, but better safe than sorry, because it is not my lock. All right, so we got, let's do the key pins first. Take the key out. All right, so drop in pin number 1. Number part 2. So we do have some work on the key pins. 4 and 5. All right, let's get these organized right. Okay. All right, so here's the first driver pin. Second one's a little bit hard to grab. There we go. Some really nice pin work on these pins already, I can see. Oh, I want to make sure I keep this facing the right way so I know how to put it back. There we go. Four and 5. All right, I just want to pop the springs out here. I don't want to lose the order just in case they're different. No, they all look about the same, so we're just going to dump them. All right, that's all the springs. Now let's give you a close-up of these pins. Zoom in here. Yeah, we got some really nice pin work. It looks like, as far as I can tell, everything but this key pin was modified. Some really impressive work there. Okay. And just to be sure, I want to check the core. I don't see any, no work done on the core. But yeah, all in all, really awesome job on that challenge lock, DVP. Really great work for your first one, and a lot of fun. If anybody has any questions, leave them down in the comments. Otherwise, make sure you like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.